Isn't it lovely that I can pick a pepper from my garden to cook my dinner today? Yes, this is why I will always be an advocate for farming. Grow a seed. Remember that. Grow a seed and you will reap the benefit. No matter how small it is, I need a pepper to cook, and here it is. I've just picked it off this tree here, and remember there's more coming on the tree. So live up and grow something. All right? All right, take care. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my garden. I am Donna and I'm in London, and I do container gardening and raised bed gardening. And one of the things it gives me the pleasure, it gives me the joy to walk out in the garden. I am in the kitchen and I'm saying, oh my God, I don't have any green bell peppers because I'm cooking oxtail today. And I thought, oh, but there's a green one in the garden. And here is my green pepper, and I'm going to pick it. I discover a lot of things growing back in the garden. Well, I'll have to deal with that. Some mushrooms and more callaloo coming up in the garden. So I am going to pick my pepper, yes, for my dinner today. And look, there's a little snail. You have to look out for them now. You see? Look at that. You see the snail? You have to look out for them. They are everywhere. These snails, they take over your garden. But yes, when you grow things, you grow to eat and to share. And today, I'm going to eat my first pepper, my first green pepper. So, oh, let's listen to it being picked from the garden. Look, pick it. Hold on. Let me pick that. Snap. And it be right in the V, you know. You see the V? It comes up with that V. You see the V here? That Y. So that's the Y shape. So it be right in the crux of the Y shape. So, do I have a nice pepper? It's a yellow one, you know, but because it's green, I need it for the for my dinner today. I'm gonna cook oxtail today. So look. So yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, please remember to support the channel, share, leave a comment, and see you on another video in my garden here in London. So you take care. Thanks for watching.